In today's episode, we're making anabolic pumpkin spice cookies. These cookies are low in calories, high in protein, and will help you lose weight. Look at that right there, guys. Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of the Anabolic Foodie Show. And in this channel, we're going to be making tasty anabolic meals and snacks that's going to help you lose weight. We're also going to be doing and reviewing other people's anabolic recipes and basically be doing anything that has to do with fitness. So if you're into that type of content, please accept my invitation to subscribe so you will be the first to be notified every time I bring out a new recipe. Alright. This is how any diet works, including the anabolic diet, guys. And that's to be in a calorie deficit to lose the fat and eat enough protein so you won't lose any of the muscle or maybe even build some muscle while losing the fat. And all the other macros, they don't really matter where they fall off. I don't care if it has sugar or oil in there. I don't care as long as the calories don't add up, you know, that's it. And that's how you lose the weight. Okay guys, for example, if your maintenance calories is 3,000 calories a day and you need 200 grams of protein a day, and say one of my recipes is 700 calories with 60 grams of protein, you could eat 4 of those recipes a day, lose weight, hit your protein goal, and still be eating good. So in today's episode, we're making anabolic pumpkin spice cookies. Alright guys, let's get going. Okay guys, first thing is first, let's get a full scale ready with the bowl. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, for our first ingredient, we're going to need 60 grams of vanilla whey protein isolate. Remember, get the isolate one. The other one's still going to be good, but this is, you know, this is where it's at. Alright guys, 60 grams. Remember guys, 60 grams, okay? Alright, let's go. For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 60 grams of quick oats. Remember guys, 60 grams. All right, let's go. Remember guys, 60 grams, okay? All right, get to the next step. For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 10 grams of sweetener. Remember guys, 10 grams. All right, let's go. Remember guys, 10 grams of sweetener, okay? For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 6 grams of baking powder. Remember guys, 6 grams. All right, let's go. Remember guys, 6 grams, okay? Oh, on the dot, 6 grams. For our next ingredient, we're going to need a dash of salt. Remember guys, a dash of salt. All right. Remember guys, a dash of salt. All right, let's get to the next step. For our next ingredient, we're going to need 24 grams of pumpkin spice jello pudding mix. Remember, 24 grams. All right, let's go. Remember, guys, 24 grams, okay? Okay, now that we got all our dry ingredients in there, mix them well, and let's get to the next step. All right, guys? All right, let's go. I finished mixing the dry ingredients. Let's get to the wet ones. All right, let's go. For our next ingredient, we're going to need 180 grams of 100% pure pumpkin. Remember, 180 grams. All right, let's go. Remember, guys, 180 grams, okay? All right, let's go. For our next ingredient, we're going to need 11 grams of 100% pure honey. Remember, 11 grams. All right, let's go. Remember, guys, 11 grams, okay? Okay guys, for our next step, we're gonna mix everything well. Make sure everything is really mixed well, and it's gonna take a minute, but you're gonna get a little arm pump. All right, let's get to the next step. Okay guys, we're done mixing. It should look just like that, and let's get to the next step. All right, let's go. Okay guys, get a baking pan and spray it with oil spray so your cookies won't stick. And all right. And we're gonna get 1 heaping spoonful, and we're gonna place it in there. We're gonna make 8 cookies, okay guys? All right, let's go. Okay.
Okay guys, this makes 8 cookies, and don't forget to preheat your oven for 350 degrees, and they're gonna go in there for exactly 7 minutes. Don't do over 7 minutes, okay? Time it right and don't go over 7 minutes. Make it exactly 7 minutes. All right, see you guys in 7 minutes. All right. Okay guys, they just came out of the oven. It's been exactly 7 minutes, and we're gonna cool these for 10 minutes, okay guys? Remember, exactly 10 minutes. Not just playing. Alright guys, look at these cookies. Alright, let's try these bad boys out. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, it's taste test time. Let's try these pumpkin spice cookies out. And since Thanksgiving's around the corner, I decided to make this recipe, and hopefully everybody has a good Thanksgiving. And all right, let's get these bad boys out. Look at these cookies, guys. These cookies are so delicious. They're big and they're low in calories. Let's try these bad boys out. All right, let's. Guys, this cookie is bomb. Oh my god. You guys should try these bad boys out. They're low in calories. Try these with some almond milk. You'll be set. You'll be like, oh my god, I just had one and they've been cooling for a while. Guys, try these bad boys out, please. All my cookies are really good, including this one. They're all up there. Guys, try this recipe out. I'm begging you for Thanksgiving. Oh my god, try it out. This thing is gonna be like, give it to your family. They're gonna be like, what? This thing is good. They're not even gonna think it's anything like diet or anything like that. They're gonna be like, that's a really good cookie, and they're gonna be gaining muscle and losing fat for Thanksgiving. Guys, those pumpkin spice cookies are too diet for, and we got a winner chicken dinner. Just kidding, no more chicken dinners for me. I'm replacing the chicken dinners with pumpkin spice cookies. All right. Okay guys, to the macros. If you ate the whole 8 cookies, and I'm pretty sure you will, they're really bomb. If you ate the whole 8, it'll be 720 calories, 68 grams of protein, 10 grams of fat, 12 grams of fiber, and 77 grams of carbs. And those macros are not too chubby if you ask me. Okay guys, if you just ate one, which I doubt, this recipe is delicious. Alright, but if you just ate one, it's 91 calories, 9 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat, 2 grams of fiber, and 9 grams of carbs. But I bet you it's gonna be like the potato chip. I bet you just won't be able to eat one. And if you just ate one, it's because you did it wrong. Alright guys, please make this recipe. I know you love it, but I know one thing that you like more than this recipe, and that's losing weight while eating cookies. Alright. Okay guys, comment below on how much weight you guys started to lose by eating these recipes, and I'll write to everyone back. Alright guys, these recipes take a long time to make and they're hard to figure out, and I have to pay for everything out of pocket. So if you do want to support the channel, I do have this recipe on my cookbook, and I'll put a link on the description box below for purchase. If you want to make any more of my recipes, please check out one of my other recipe videos. Alright guys, remember, till next time, all the subscribe, share, like, and buy. Till next time, many out.